Take on soil and gravel work like never before with the SR1, an innovative skid steer attachment from ABI. The SR1 is an affordable solution for seedbed preparation, gravel driveway maintenance, vegetation removal, and many other dirt work projects. Built for property owners and commercial landscapers alike, the SR1 efficiently scarifies, collects, spreads, pulverizes, and rakes. Proudly manufactured in the USA, the SR1 features heavy-duty construction and simple design, making this tool hardworking, long-lasting, and highly efficient. The SR1 skid steer rake is designed to work under tough conditions, all day, every day. The SR1 features fully welded I-beam construction for the utmost strength and durability, and combines heavy-duty scarifiers and a finish rake to expertly loosen and rake even the toughest material. Other attachments limit speed of operation. However, the SR1's tough design allows operators to work faster and achieve exceptional results in the process. Designed to operate at an angle, the SR1's low-profile design gives operators unprecedented control and visibility, which allows extreme precision and confidence when working along concrete edges, trees, and landscaping. To prepare a proper seedbed, the SR1 expertly decompacts hardpan soil. A decompacted soil allows water and air to reach the roots of the seed, giving those roots the ability to anchor deep, creating a stable and healthy turf. The scarifiers loosen the ground from 1 to 5 inches deep with adjustable depth control. These durable cast teeth penetrate the hardest of conditions, and the replaceable bolt-on tips keep maintenance costs low. The 3/4 inch thick hardened steel rake gives the SR1 finesse and strength. Push forward to clear vegetation and debris, and pull backward to smash dirt clods and leave an ideal seed or sod-ready finish. The long-lasting rake can be easily replaced in 1-foot sections. The SR1 combines the best features of a skid steer landscape rake, pulverizer, and scarifier, all in one innovative design, eliminating the need to switch out attachments and delivering vastly superior results significantly faster than ever before. Command your land with the SR1 from ABI Attachments.